Yo, what's up everyone, it's CashGPT. So I found an AI side hustle that literally pays you daily. Not wait 2 weeks pay, not net 45 like some broke startup. Daily. Like your grandma handing you lunch money. Except this time, it's digital. And your grandma is a website named PromptBase. No one's talking about these, but I got you. You're about to see 3 AI tools that actually pay cash, not clout, no affiliate nonsense, no manifestation. Just tools that move money into your account, not just your imagination. Okay, first up is PromptBase. This is wild. You literally get paid to sell AI prompts. Yeah, you heard me right. Sentences. Basically, it's like giving ChatGPT or Mid-Journey detailed instructions on how to create cool stuff. But instead of keeping it to yourself, you sell it. And people actually buy them. It's insane. I'm talking real money here. Some people are making like $20 to $50 a day just by uploading prompts they probably thought of while they were half asleep. I even saw this one guy who made $1,000 in a month just from prompts about AI-generated coloring books. Coloring books, people. AI coloring books. And somehow, this is making money. This is the world we live in now. It's like the dumbest timeline ever, but hey, at least it pays, right? And the best part, PromptBase pays you through Stripe. That means you get your money fast, it's secure, and you can even get paid daily if you set up Stripe Express. Boom! Just like that, you're a promptpreneur. You're out here selling words like it's digital gold. Alright, so maybe writing prompts feels a little too thinky for you. Maybe you just want the AI to do all the heavy lifting. I got you. That's where KoalaWriter comes in. It's an AI blog writer, but here's the hustle. You're not using it to write your own blog. Nope, you're gonna use it to sell blog posts to small businesses. You know, the ones with the janky websites and no clue what SEO even is. Charge them $30 to $100 a post, let Koala write it in like 5 minutes flat, and boom, you just made bank. Cash out through PayPal, and guess what? You can get paid daily with that too. Oh, and did I mention the best part? Koala lets you insert affiliate links or ads into the blog posts. So even if you do decide to post them on your own blog, you can double dip on that sweet, sweet income. Passive income plus freelance income equals your bills, wondering why you're actually paying them on time for once. Chapter 3, TypingMind, the ChatGPT hustle nobody's talking about. Okay, this last one is my favorite. It's called TypingMind, and it's basically a legal way to resell access to ChatGPT. You heard that right. You take ChatGPT, slap your own logo on it, set your price, and boom, you're in business. It's like setting up a bootleg ChatGPT stand at a digital flea market, and people are actually buying it. You can charge people a monthly fee or even a daily access fee. It's crazy. I saw this one dude who made a TypingMind site just for real estate agents. He charges $7 a day or $29 a month, and let's say he's got like 5 people signed up. That's it. That's instant cash flow every single day for something that he didn't even build. It's like owning a vending machine, but instead of snacks, you're selling AI, and you never have to worry about refilling it. And of course, you can get paid daily through Stripe, Gumroad, PayPal, whatever you want. You could literally be sitting there watching conspiracy videos about how pigeons aren't real and the money just hits your account. Here's the point. You don't need a PhD in tech or $1,000 to start. You need Wi-Fi, a sense of humor, and enough brainpower to not upload your OnlyFans password by accident. These side hustles won't make you a millionaire overnight, but they can put money in your account this week, if you stop scrolling and start doing. Just don't be that guy who waits until the AI apocalypse to finally learn how ChatGPT works. At that point, you're not a hustler. You're just data. So pick one. Try it. Get paid. Then come back and flex in the comments. Subscribe if you want more AI side hustles before TikTok ruins them.